I just got this incredible line of string lights that I will be using for the holidays. And what's incredible about it is if you do outdoors, it's the standard low voltage outdoor lighting. So it will plug into a lot of the outdoor lighting systems like the Philips Hue lighting system, which is so exciting. Now I've already done an unboxing video on this where I used the main controller that's hooked to the string lights to change the colors. But in this video, I want to talk about the remote, as this is really cool. It gives you a lot easier control on how to change the lights. Basically, each lighting pattern is one of these numbers, and then up here you can have it on for 6 hours or on for 8 hours straight and off for the rest of the day. So it's on a 24-hour cycle with 6 or 8 hours on, so you never have to think about that part again. And then at the bottom, you can actually control the dimness or the brightness. So let me show you how these work. Now to dim down, you can see they get really dim and calm. So if you want these somewhere where you don't want them super bright, that's a really lovely option. Might be nice for low lighting in the evening. And they can get really quite bright as well. So I'm going to keep them bright and I'll go through all of the different options here. Number 1 will flux through all the different colors. Number 2 is the solid warm white. This is one of my favorites. I know I'm boring, but I absolutely love it. There's one other favorite I'll get to shortly. The solid multicolor. Number 4 is also a solid multicolor, but it's a little different, and some of the lights are kind of more of a rainbowy color instead of just the red, green, yellow, and blue. Number 5 is also a solid, but it is even more of a pastel-y version of it. Number 6 is when we start getting more interactive. Number 6 is going to slowly go through the different color options. It's just going through all of them in kind of a slow, calm way. And number 7 goes through all the colors as well, but instead of doing it in kind of a breathing, slow manner, it kind of flicks through them, as you can see. Number 8 is super flashy whites. Number 9 is super flashy colors. Number 10 is going to be the super flashies as well, but it's going to change through to the colors and then back to the whites. And finally, number 11 is my other favorite. This one goes through all the colors as well, but in this really lovely twinkling. I absolutely love it, and this is what I plan to do on my Christmas tree this year. But the best part is we can all have our favorite and we can change it out as we want to and change it with our moods. I might even have to put this remote somewhere out of reach of my kids, as they will have a blast with it. I cannot recommend these enough. These are fantastic lights for indoors or outdoors this holiday season.